I decided to come to the retreat really because I'd never been on one before, and I had wanted to go on a retreat for some time but just hadn't found anything suitable. I didn't really have any goal or intention because I wanted to be very open to whatever was going to flow. So it was really just a case of coming here with an open mind and an open heart and just seeing what would happen. I was a little bit concerned about the time aspect because having 2 days out of the week meant moving a few other things around, but I'm so glad that I did it because it's been hugely worthwhile. I had a few very aha moments, some breakthroughs, and they were quite emotional really because I came here knowing that I needed to improve my own self-care, and I didn't understand why I was resisting that. Because being a natural carer and healer anyway, I was wondering why I couldn't apply that to myself. So I've had a few breakthroughs which have been amazing, and it's really related to my ancestry and patterns, in particular on the maternal side. So as a result of this retreat, this is something now that I've become aware of and I'll work on further, but there's already been some transformations in these 2 days. So for that, I will always be grateful. Tamara as a retreat facilitator, well, you know, she couldn't be any better. What I love is that she has been our guide, but without really taking us down a strict path. She's allowed things to flow, and her style has enabled us, has empowered us really to step into that space and be ourselves and just be whatever came up. So her style has just been absolutely perfect for me. And judging by the other people in the retreats, that there's just an amazing connection between us all because we've been allowed to step into that safe space that Tamara's held for us. If you're thinking about coming on a retreat, I can highly recommend this one. It's just been a beautiful 2 days with beautiful people, an amazing facilitator, and the breakthroughs and transformations have been wonderful, not just for myself, but for everyone here.